Welcome back everyone, Todd Federman from Montclair State. In this very short video, I'm going to show you a substantially superior method for looking at graphs. Here's something that comes from my textbook. In fact, I've already cleaned it up. I've made the schedule much easier to read. I've made the graph much easier to read, but everything is revealed at once. If you're talking about the numbers in the table, some people might be looking at the graph. If you're looking at the graph, people are trying to make the connection. There's too much reveal here. So let's see how we can fix this by hiding some information and revealing one step at a time. First, we're going to just show the demand schedule. We can talk about the relationship between price and the quantity demanded in terms of bushels of corn. We can then say, let's graph it. Here's our demand for corn. We can have the labels fly in. We can have the labeled data, price between 1 and 5, bushels between 10 and 80 fly in. And now we can plot one point. At a price of 5, Joe wants to take home 10 bushels of corn. At a price of 4, Joe wants to take home 20 bushels of corn. You can make the link between the data in the table and the data on the graph, and so on. By revealing one step at a time, your audience is going to follow exactly where you are. Let's go into normal mode and see what's going on. If I do a Control A, look how many different objects are on the screen. Let's take a look how many animations there are. There are 16 total animations, but some of them, like number 7, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every single item here that you're seeing in terms of both the table and the graph, each individual piece is put up separately, and it reveals itself separately. In that way, you can discuss the graph one item at a time. You can keep your audience in exactly the same place. By revealing a graph with its component parts, a blank grid, put in the labels, put in the quantities for both the y-axis and the x-axis, then plot a few points, then draw a line through the points, revealing it one step at a time, makes it so much easier for your audience to be in the same place. Hope you enjoyed the video. Todd Federman from the Economics Department of Montclair State. If you have any questions, please contact me at the email listed above.